Hello, students, and welcome to English Expert classes once again. And today I have brought to you the past continuous tense. This is the most difficult part of the tense, from where your understanding about the tense is clarified. Hello, learners. मैं आपके लिए आज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस लेकर आया हूं और हम लोग सीखेंगे इसके पहचान का नियम और इसके स्ट्रक्चर्स और ड्रिल्स, जिससे कि आपका जो है किसी भी प्रकार का समस्या इस टेंस को समझने में ना हो। तो हम लोग देखते हैं कि यह टेंस आपको कितना आसान पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस पूर्ण भूतकाल को समझने में मदद करता है और आप जो है पहले से ज्यादा इसे अच्छे ढंग से समझ सकेंगे, लिख सकेंगे और हिंदी से इंग्लिश और इंग्लिश से हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट कर सकेंगे। Once again, I am before you taking the past continuous tense that will help you to face your examination. This topic will help you to understand more easily than ever you have studied in your class, and it will help you to translate from English to Hindi, Hindi to English, and you will have more marks when you will write in at your examination. Let's have a look. Past continuous tense. अपूर्ण भूत का रूल ऑफ आइडेंटिफिकेशन, पहचान का नियम। When a sentence ends with रहा था नहीं थी रहे थे, it is known as past continuous tense. जब कोई वाक्य रहा था रही थी रहे थे इत्यादि से समाप्त हो तो उसे अपूर्ण भूतकाल के रूप में जाना जाता है। एक बार फिर से, जब कोई वाक्य रहा था रही थी रहे थे इत्यादि से समाप्त हो तो उसे अपूर्ण भूतकाल के रूप में जाना जाता है। जैसे राम एक आम खा रहा था, तो खाना क्रिया के साथ विद द खाना क्रिया इट इज रिटेन दैट रहा था। रहा था यहाँ हो सकता है देर में भी रहा था रही थी रहे थे। Then you have to identify the sentence only the last in Hindi and English. We will have to understand after writing the structures. Once again, recap this, because if you don't know how to identify Hindi or English, you won't get confused always, and you will find difficult to write in your examination. Okay, so once again, rule of identification. When a sentence ends with raha tha rahi thi rahe the, it is known as the past continuous tense. In Hindi, जब कोई वाक्य रहा था रही थी रहे थे इत्यादि से समाप्त हो तो उसे पूर्ण अपूर्ण भूतकाल के रूप में जाना जाता है। जैसे राम एक आम खा रहा था, तो यहाँ रहा था यह बताता है, हम लोग पहचान सकते हैं कि सेंटेंस जो है वह पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में है। हिंदी में अगर बोल रहे हैं तो रहा था और लिख भी रहे थे तो रहा था से यह पूर्ण तरीके से हम लोग पहचान सकते हैं और समझ सकते हैं इसे कैसे और किस प्रकार के स्ट्रक्चर से बनाया जा सकता है। Let's have more about the structure of past continuous tense. Let's have a structure of past continuous tense. Affirmative sentence, subject plus what of the verb plus the verb plus object plus full stop. Interrogative sentence, what of the verb plus subject plus the verb plus object plus question mark. Negative sentence, subject plus what of the verb plus not plus the verb plus object plus full stop. Interrogative negative, what of the verb plus subject plus not plus the verb plus object plus question mark. WH family, why plus what of the verb plus subject plus the verb plus object plus full stop. In Hindi, affirmative sentence, सकारात्मक वाक्य subject plus what of the verb plus the verb plus object plus full stop. प्रश्नात्मक वाक्य की रचना was only verb plus subject plus before plus object plus full question mark. Negative sentence नकारात्मक वाक्य subject plus was only verb plus not plus before plus subject plus full stop. Interrogative negative नकारात्मक प्रश्नात्मक was only verb plus subject plus not plus before plus subject plus question mark. WH family, the word that begins with W or H word and that is always asked or a question to make a question is called the WH family word. WH family Y plus was only verb plus before plus subject plus full question mark. Okay. Once again, we have a look about the structure of the past continuous tense, and you are to understand about the structure clearly, and you will have confidence of writing the sentence in English, and English would be translated in the Hindi with no problem. So, if the sentence is negative, there would be not, understand, interrogative, negative. Okay, let's have a this with the structures once again. Once again, past continuous tense drill. Ram was eating a mango. Ram ate down ha tha. Is was Ram eating a mango? क्या Ram ate down ha? Negative sentence. Ram was not eating a mango. Ram ate down नहीं खा रहा था. Negative interrogative. Was Ram not eating a mango? क्या Ram ate down नहीं खा रहा था? WH family. Why was Ram eating a mango? क्यों Ram ate down खा रहा था? You have to prove this. Ram was eating a mango. Was Ram eating a mango? Ram was not eating a mango. Was Ram not eating a mango? Why was Ram eating a mango? राम एक काम खा रहा था. क्या राम एक काम खा रहा था? राम एक काम नहीं खा रहा था. क्या राम एक काम नहीं खा रहा था? क्यों राम ये काम खा रहा था? And so on. You are to replace the WH with who, why, what, when, where, how long, how far, how often. Then the sense of the sentence will get changed according to WH word used here. So this is not only the drills in Hindi or English, but there is also the rule of identification exist here. Raha tha, it is ending with raha tha, raha tha, raha tha. You are to put in your mind that there would be in Hindi sentence the identification of the sentence. So you are to do the drills, write the drills every time, and make your Hindi and English to Hindi easier and the easiest way for your examinations and reading and writing. Now we have to talk about the use of helping verb with the personal pronoun. Use of personal pronoun. Use of personal pronouns with the help of helping verb. Okay, first person. I and we. I would take watch and we were. Second person, you were. Third person, he was, she was, it was, and they were. We have to use the helping verb with the pronoun first person, second person, and third person. It is a grammar. If you don't have the command over the writing and use of the personal pronouns and helping verbs correct match, there would be error and your sentence would be wrong. So you are to use according to the subject or the pronouns, that is called the personal pronouns and the helping verb. आपको I के साथ was का प्रयोग करना, V के साथ were का, U के साथ were का, he के साथ was, she के साथ was, it के साथ was, they के साथ were. Similar subject, similar verb, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल वर्ब का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Let's have some HW that we given to you and the some verb form that will help you to understand and to use according to tense the 5 forms of the verbs. क्रिया ends with ना जैसे लिखना, मतलब यह जो है एक हिंदी क्रिया है. सीखना अंत में ना है, इसका मतलब हिंदी क्रिया. सीखना से सीख रहा हूँ, है ना, सीख रहा था, सीखता रहूंगा, सीखना चेंज होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस. सो लिखना कहेंगे से V1 गुड वर्ब, राइट V2 wrote, V3 written, V4 writing, V5 writes. And सीखना learning, learns. Here once again we have to have in mind we are to use V form in past continuous tense when the sentence ends with रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. And there are some translation given for you for homework. So you are to solve in 5 ways as I have done in the reels. That will be beneficial to you. So it is helpful to you to learn the past continuous tense in easy way. So please like, subscribe, share.